Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to restart your IMOU Cell 2 security camera. So if you're having troubles with your camera, you want to restart it for some reason, what you're going to do is open up the IMOU Live app and find the camera connection. So it should look something like this. This is the tab where it'll take you to the camera settings, and what you're going to do is press the two dots. Then go to device details and scroll all the way down to more. So click on more, and here you have the restart device option. So click on that. It's going to ask you for some confirmation. So click on the reboot, and you're going to wait for it to start rebooting. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.